Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Vivo V17 versus the Oppo F11 Pro, and the Oppo F11 Pro is powered by MediaTek Helio P70 chipset with 6GB of RAM, while the Vivo V17 is powered by Snapdragon 675 chipset with 8GB of RAM. You guys requested this a lot, so without any wasting time, let's get right into it. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo camera first on the Oppo F11 Pro, followed by the Vivo V17. And both phones is running on Android 9 Pie. We don't have the latest Android version on both phones, and you can see Oppo F11 Pro is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Vivo V17 is also right behind there, about 2 or 3 second difference there between these devices. And guys, you can see that both phones comes with a beautiful display when it comes of aspect ratio and the screen to body ratio. Oppo F11 Pro comes with a full HD IPS LCD display with a no hole, no notch on the display, because the Oppo F11 Pro comes with a pop-up selfie camera. As you can see, it is a really unique feature on the Oppo F11 Pro, which I don't like. I like the punch hole over the pop-up selfie camera, while the Vivo V17 comes with a punch hole display, as you can see, and Vivo V17 comes with a full HD Super AMOLED display versus a IPS LCD display on the Oppo F11 Pro. So now let's see the app's opening speed. So like always, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. And we're gonna start off by basic stuff. So first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go, and you can see that seems like a little bit faster on the Vivo V17. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. Let's see the mic lock, about the same on both phones, no difference there in the mic lock app. Now let's see the settings, and you can see that was exactly the same on both phones. The calendar, faster on the Vivo V17, huge compared to the Oppo F11 Pro. Now let's see the My Files, and about the same on both phones. Again, Instagram, faster on the Vivo V17. The Spotify, faster again on the Vivo V17, followed by the F11 Pro. Snapchat, and again little bit faster on the Vivo V17. So now let's launch some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and let's see how much a difference between a Snapdragon 675 versus a MediaTek Helio P70. And you can see Snapdragon 675 powered Vivo V17, it is faster there, while the Oppo F11 Pro is also right behind there. The Subway Surfer, and you can see that is super quick on the Vivo V17. I can't believe that Vivo V17 is super faster than the Oppo F11 Pro. Temper Run 2, and you can see that again Vivo V17 is just a tiny bit faster there. You can see about 1 or 2 second difference there. So now let's see the Twitter, faster on the Vivo V17. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, faster on the Vivo V17, followed by the Oppo F11 Pro. Both phones comes with a main 48 megapixel main sensor, but we have a quad cameras on the back in L shape on the Vivo V17 versus a dual cameras with a depth sensor on the Oppo F11 Pro. We don't have ultra wide or a macro lens on the Oppo F11 Pro. Now let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Vivo internet browser on the Vivo V17 versus a Google Chrome, which is a default internet browser for Oppo phones. So first website we have is the wikipedia.org, and same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see about the same on both phones. Now let's see the scrolling. You can see no lag whatsoever. Now let's see the apple.com. We have next website, and you can see that Vivo V17, it is just a tiny bit faster there if I am not wrong. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. Now let's see the scrolling. You can see it feels very smooth on both phones. You can see same thing with zooming in and out on the iPhone SE. Now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. Oppo F11 Pro comes with a 6GB of RAM versus a 8 GB of RAM on the Vivo V17 with the 256 GB of internal storage compared to 128 GB of internal storage on the Oppo F11 Pro phone dialer. That is not refresh. Both phones is on their latest software version. My clock, no refresh. Let's see the settings. That can't refresh on the Oppo F11 Pro. Let's see the calendar, no refresh. My first refresh on the Oppo F11 Pro. Instagram, again refresh on the Oppo F11 Pro. Spotify, that got refresh on both phones, I have to say. Let's see the Snapchat, that got refresh on the F11 Pro. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, refresh. Subway Surfer, refresh on the Oppo F11 Pro. Temper Run 2, refresh again on the Oppo F11 Pro. Let's see the Twitter, no refresh on both phones. Vivo Internet Browser versus the Google Chrome, that got refresh on the Oppo F11 Pro. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is definitely faster on the Vivo V17 in terms of system-based application as well as in game uploading time, while the Oppo F11 Pro is right behind to the Vivo V17. RAM management is absolutely incredible on the Vivo V17, but many application refresh on the Oppo F11 Pro. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Vivo V17 and the Oppo F11 Pro. Let me know what you guys think about this new Vivo V17 and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.